Want a smarter way to navigate on foot? Google Maps Live View uses augmented reality to guide you with on-screen directions. Confused by traditional map directions while walking? Here's how to use Google Maps AR navigation and find your way more easily. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app on your Android phone. Make sure location services and camera permissions are enabled. Step 2. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter the destination you want to navigate to. Step 3. Select the correct location from the search results, then wait for the place information to load. Step 4. Tap the Directions button. Google Maps will generate available routes. Step 5. Select the walking icon from the travel modes. Live View works primarily with walking directions. Step 6. Review the suggested walking route on the map. Look for the Live View or Preview Live View option. Before we continue, subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more practical Google Maps tips and Android tutorials. Step 7. Tap Live View to launch AR navigation. Google Maps will activate your phone's camera. Step 8. Point your camera toward nearby buildings and streets. The app will identify your location automatically. Step 9. Follow the arrows and visual directions displayed on the screen. These guides will help you stay on the correct path. Step 10. Continue walking while following the AR instructions. Google Maps will update directions in real time until you arrive. Found this guide helpful? Like, share, and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more smart and easy-to-follow tech tutorials.